There it is. I was gonna watch that film soon, so yeah.
What if you could take your movie collection with you, wherever you go, and watch it on your favorite devices and brands? Sound impossible? Not anymore. Introducing Ultraviolet, an easy new way to collect, access, and enjoy your movies and TV shows in the cloud. Here's how it works. The cloud provides unlimited storage for your digital movies and TV shows in an online library, giving you the freedom to watch your movies and TV shows anywhere using your compatible computers, TVs, tablets, and smartphones. Just look for the Ultraviolet logo when you buy your movies on Blu-ray, DVD, or digital download. And follow the instructions to add them to your digital collection in the cloud, safely and securely. Now you're ready to watch your movies wherever you go, however you choose. You can instantly stream any title in your Ultraviolet collection, or download for offline viewing on the go, so several members of your family can be watching different movies from your collection at the same time. Just look for the Ultraviolet logo. Ultraviolet, your movies in the cloud.
Following previous have reports used for fraud used by the Motion Picture Association America, Inc.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize it's messed up. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone.
Freeze! Nobody move! Shoot! Don't! Okay. Don't even think about it! Do you need to put all the cash in a bag for me? You, pies! You serve the good pies. That's your thing, darling. Is it? I wouldn't get sassy. Is this it? It just seems very, very light.
You like apple?
I do like apple. I don't want to have to choose. Plus, Larry, she's telling me to take you out.
I'm a veteran.
That's amazing. I want to thank you for that. Here,
Tammy.
don't be a hero. Come on. Oh.
In theaters. Following previous communist feature by the Motion Picture Association America, Inc.
Squiggs,
You have a gun?
just robbing the place, you know?
That's not your intention.
No, it isn't.
Oh, I suppose the polite thing to do would be to offer you a cup of tea. You steal things.
I do steal things, yeah, from time to time. Lately, I've been having a bit of a disagreement with an old boss, though. Peter Lake. I want to kill him, and I want him to stay dead.
What's the best thing you've ever stolen?
I'm beginning to think I haven't stolen it yet. You are impossibly beautiful.
What is your relationship to Beverly? Are you aware of her condition?
She's dying.
What do you do without me now? I want to go out.
I've been blackening souls and crushing miracles for longer than I can remember. Yours is the kind of love that makes the world warm and light. The kind of love that can save her. Will not be saving anyone.
Miracles can happen.
You alright?
I'm Abby.
as I can remember. I appreciate the help.
It made me think of you. It made me think of you.
Beverly. Her name was Beverly.
What's happening here? Oh,
Why keep me alive?
maybe there was something you were still meant to do.
He is neither angel nor demon. How is he still alive? Is it possible to love someone so completely they simply can't die?
You're late.
Winter's Tale.
Nothing happens that it isn't supposed to.
Oh no, Blu-ray, digital HT. Following previous comedies featured by the Motion Picture Association of America, Inc.
Truth. The tales and songs fall utterly short of your enormity, O Smaug, the stupendous. We are the dwarves of Erebor. We have come to reclaim our homeland. I offer you my help. Now do we know it won't betray us? Don't. There is no king under the mountain, nor will there ever be.
It will not end here. With every victory, this evil will grow.
Legolas has grown very fond of you. Do not give him hope where there is none. You have no right to enter that mountain. I have the only right. We've been blinded. In our blindness, our enemy has returned. I found something in the golden tunnels. What did you find? My carriage. Good. You need it. Fire and ruin. That is what you will bring upon us. He cannot see beyond his own desire. I will not risk this quest for the life of one Bergamo. His name is Bilbo. Thief. Where are you? Come now. Don't be shy. Step into the light.
I'm probably. Following previous applications by the Motion Picture Association of America, Inc.
The oracle's words stand as a warning. Sparta will fall. All of Greece will fall. And only stab-wooden ships can save them. Wooden ships. And a tidal wave of heroes' blood. Only the gods can defeat the Greeks. You will be the God King.
For glory's sake. War!
Today we will dance across the backs of dead Greeks.
She has sold her soul to death himself. She's going to bring all of her with her.
Leonidas and the brave 300
for your dream of a united Greece, Mr. Greece. A pause, please.
Revenge.
The time the Greeks went by a tired baby.
Let it be shown, we chose to die on our feet rather than live on our knees.
If death comes for me today, I'm ready.
Steady your hearts, look deep into your souls. Sing your glory!
A wind has blown across Greece. The wind of vengeance.
300, Rise in the Empire. On Blu-ray, digital HD.
You were issued a private investigator's license for your 18th birthday? What do you think that says?
Impulsive, addictive.
Yeah.